Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So we will continue our story of Greek mythology. Yesterday we talked about Prometheus. Prometheus made man and give fire to man, so man can live happy ever after. And Zeus was jealous, so he chained Prometheus in the mountain, of Caucasus, a very tall mountain, and torture him, and let the eagle eat his liver. Prometheus' liver in the day, and in the night the liver will heal. The second day the eagle will come, and in the night it will heal again, and the third day, fourth day, forever and ever and ever, until Hercules came by and saved Prometheus. So that's the problem because of man, because of Prometheus' kindness to man. Man. Okay, here is another story. Pandora's jar. You can call it Pandora's box, Pandora's jar, but it should be a jar. At that time, if you go to Greek, you see there are a lot of kind of jar and ways that round shape, not so much about this square or box shape. So Zeus had punished the Titan Prometheus because he gave fire to human. But he was also angry with mortal men for having fire. Okay, you give them fire, I'm not happy. And these people who undeserving people, they have fire. Oh my goodness, I do not like it. So he had to forbidden it. How did he forbidden it? Zeus went to Hephaestus, god of smiths, and Hephaestus is very good at craftsman, is a master craftsman. And he asked, I want you to assist me to make a female mortal. Zeus said, just as Prometheus made man. Together, the two gods gathered a handful of soil and water and sculptured a beautiful lady. This was the very first lady in the whole wide world. It's actually, Zeus was just looking around. I don't think Zeus can do anything. He can only use his mouth, use his power. It is Hephaestus actually did the job. Zeus named her Pandora. Pan America, panorama. It's all around. It's the camera panning is seeing all the direction. Dora is a gift. So Pandora is all gifts. So Pandora, this beautiful lady, is a gift. Men, women are gifts. Cherish it, okay? Zeus next went to Athena. I want you to dress this woman in fine silk and weave flowers through her hair, he ordered. Once Athena had dressed Pandora, Zeus placed a golden crown on Pandora's brow. It was forged by Hephaestus and it was made of gold. And it was made of gold with models of all animals in the world. Oh, it's just to close your eyes. Imagine she has a crown. He made a crown for her, for Pandora, with sculpture, with scratching, with carving of all kinds of animals, golden, shiny, glittering, just so beautiful. Zeus then gave Pandora to Epimesius, which is the brother that is think behind, does not think in advance. I will not say Epimesius is not smart. It's just his way of taking action and thinking. I am one of the people that think behind. I do not have the ability to see what is going to happen, but I can see things when things happen or after things happen, and I can reflect. I do not have the preview ability. I am the unlucky one. And so Zeus then gave Pandora to Epimesius, Prometheus' brother, as a bride. Epimesius did not think to question Zeus' gift, and he accepted his new beautiful wife gladly. Of course, there is no need to go to Bumbles, no need to go to Tinders, there is no need to go to Eventbrite to participate any activity, no matchmaker. Bling, a wife come to me, and so beautiful. I will not refuse that, but I will not get a wife because I already have a husband. Yeah, I'm good enough, safe. So, however, Zeus had also given Pandora a jar to take with her to Earth. As he handed it to her, he warned. Zeus warned Pandora, Pandora, remember, you must never, ever, ever, never, 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 ever, ever, never, never, ever, ever, never open this jar. There is some trick there. Pandora said, okay, no problem. I got it. Yeah. So, for some time, Epimesius and Pandora lived together happily. They were very, very happy. But Pandora could not forget about the jar. Why would Zeus give me something that I cannot open, she thought. Finally, Pandora has one killing weakness, is curiosity. Women, including myself, we have this unbearable curiosity. We always want to know things. We always want to learn things. We always want to understand things. And we are jealous. I know, not we are jealous. The curiosity can bring out something good or something not so good. You get the idea. Anyway, so one day she was by herself at home, and Epimesius went out to do this and that, to build something. Anyway, he has a job. Yeah, he went to work, and Pandora just stay at home and stare at the jar. Okay, should I open it? Should I not? Should I open it? Should I not? Should I open it? Should I not? No. Zeus said, I could not. No, why? She was just murmuring, numbering, and just struggling in her heart. Finally, one day, Pandora was so overwhelmed by this curiosity, she could not bear any single second more. One more second not open it, she's going to end up her life. It's just so curious. So she took the jar from its hiding place and pulled the stopper from the neck. In that moment, everything evil, big smoke, dark fog, nasty stinking smell, everything came out. Boom! Came to her face. Every evil swamp out in this world. The previously peaceful earth was now flooded with plague, famine, and every type of disasters and disease. Spanish flu, coronavirus, and flu and plague and malaria, everything came out from that jar. They all came from the jar that Zeus gave to her. All might have been lost if there were not Pandora's quick reaction. Pandora opened it, and then she was overwhelmed by this big, nasty, black, gray, these disgusting things. So you know what she did? Boom! Immediately she closed it. She immediately put the lid back on the jar, and although almost empty, she did not manage to stop one thing from escaping. And this one thing actually is a good thing. This good thing, everything, all the bad things come out. Only one thing left, hidden in the corner, very weak, very small. And that is hope. When the world is completely a chaos, is completely upside down, we do not see hope, but it is there. It is in the corner. It may look small, it may be small, but it can grow. One day, it will be growing so big, so strong, and it will come out. And I have hope. We have hope. We cherish this hope. It is this hope keep us going, to live today, to look forward to tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo bye bye.